Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a compact but extremely useful appliance for small living spaces, the Euhomy 1.5 Cu.Ft Portable Clothes Dryer. This dryer is designed specifically for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, laundry rooms, and small homes where space is limited but efficient drying is still needed. With a 1.5 cubic feet stainless steel drum, it can handle daily essentials like shirts, towels, undergarments, baby clothes, and lightweight fabrics with ease. Powered by an 850W motor, the Euhomy dryer delivers fast and consistent drying while remaining energy efficient. It's ideal for people who don't want to rely on shared laundry rooms or air drying indoors. The stainless steel drum improves durability and helps clothes dry evenly while reducing fabric wear. One of the best features is the 4 drying functions, which allow you to choose the right setting based on fabric type and moisture level. Whether you need a quick dry, regular drying, cooling, or air dry mode, this dryer gives you flexibility without complicated controls. The LED control panel is simple and beginner-friendly. You can easily select drying modes and monitor operation without confusion. This makes it a great option for students, renters, or anyone who wants a straightforward drying solution. Despite its compact size, the Euhomy portable dryer offers quiet operation, making it suitable for indoor use without disturbing others. Its small footprint allows it to be placed on a countertop, floor, or mounted, depending on your space setup. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and space-saving clothes dryer, the Euhomy 1.5 Cu.Ft Portable Clothes Dryer is a practical and affordable choice for everyday laundry needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're planning to buy one, check the Amazon link below.